What do I need to pay VAT on? VAT on printing explained. What is VAT and why do we have it? VAT, or value added tax, is a tax based on the value of goods or services. VAT is charged when a VAT-registered business sells goods or services to another business or to a non-business customer. Any business selling VATable products or services can become VAT-registered. However, businesses with a turnover above the VAT threshold will be required by law to register. Once VAT-registered, a business will need to charge VAT at the applicable rate on all VATable sales to UK customers. The standard rate of VAT in the UK is 20%. Products that aren't taxed are called zero-rated. VAT can be shown on top of a price if it is a business-to-business sale and will be shown within the price if it is a direct-to-consumer sale. When a business charges VAT on a sale, they are collecting that money on behalf of the government. VAT is a large proportion of the UK government's income. VAT must be charged on sales to EU-based customers without a valid VAT number and will not be charged on sales to EU customers with a valid VAT number. If a business sells to any other country, VAT must not be charged. VAT and printing. Are all printed products subject to VAT? Some items are tax-free, but there are a few printed materials you will need to pay VAT on. Here's a list of all the print products that are VAT-related. These are all the print products you usually don't need to pay VAT on. At Instant Print, we aim to make print buying easy. Therefore, by standard, where applicable, VAT is included in the price. We'll always say on our website whether the price includes VAT or not. However, upon receiving your artwork, we may request you to apply the VAT charge if we feel your artwork comes under the requirements to do so. Be aware that VAT can vary depending on the printed product, content, the intended distribution, and usage of the printed material. Are there any exceptions to VAT and printing? Some of the items on the zero-rated list we just saw may still be applicable for VAT if they have or can be used for the following. Vouchers of Admission. VAT is chargeable if your printed materials, such as a flyer or leaflet, are used as admission to premises. For example, using the words "free admission" with this leaflet. If you're advertising an event, this printed material would be zero-rated, but when explicitly offering free entry when using the printed material, it will be subject to the standard 20% VAT. Discount usage. VAT is chargeable if your printed materials, such as a flyer or leaflet, are used to obtain a discount on goods or services. For example, using the words 25% off with this flyer, or similar. If you are advertising a sale, which does not require the printed material to be kept and handed on, this is zero-rated. Writable Areas. VAT is chargeable if the printed material has an area designed to be written on, for example, an invitation or certificate. If the writable area exceeds 25% of the artwork, this is VATable. Writable Books. All booklets are exempt from VAT unless they are to be written in, for example, diaries, calendars, and record books. However, if you request for these to be laminated, a standard VAT rate applies. If your artwork's intended purpose is for education and uses an exam-style paper, this can be zero-rated. Some companies, such as charities, can claim VAT back after purchase if the correct terms are met. For more information, please refer to the links in the description.